Hi children, good morning. Welcome student. You are promoted to grade 5. I am R Devi, Department of English. Today going to teach the poem. Children, shall I ask questions for you? Okay. How many seasons are there? 4 seasons. What are the 4 seasons? Autumn, spring, winter, summer. Dear children, can you guess what season it is? In this month, what seasons for you? Yes, it is the summer season. What do you like during summer? Coffee or ice cream? Yes, I know. Childrens, you are like ice cream. Yes, I am also like ice cream. Do you know who sells the ice cream? Ice Cream Man. The title name of the poem is Ice Cream Man. Author is Who is the author of the poem? Is written by the Rachel Field. Who is the author of the poem? Rachel Field. Author introduction. Rachel Field was an American novelist, poet, and children's fiction writer. She was born in 1894 in New York City. What is the meaning of fiction? Fiction means stories. Let us explain the story. When summer's in the city and breaks a blaze of heat, the hot sun makes the everyone to feel break blaze of heat. What is the meaning of blaze? Means fire. The ice cream man with his little heart goes trundling down the street. The ice cream man with his little heart makes the heart trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella. Oh, what a joyful sight! Wow! Round the umbrella, you can see colorful ice cream. Very enjoyable to see. To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. It's look wonderful. Ice cream man fill the cones with his brown and white. Do you like the cone? What color of the cone? Brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink. The ice cream man had different variety of flavors of ice cream with his little heart. Dear children, what flavors do you like? Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. From bottles full of frosty fish, green, orange, white or pink. There are different flavors or color. Chilled drinks will opening makes the sound in the bottles. His coat might be a flower bed of roses and sweet pears. The poet come back beautiful little heart with his wonderful flower bed, with his beautiful roses. The way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. When the ice cream man enters the street, all the children runs towards him like honeybees. Students write down the meanings. Students will explain the theme of the poem. What is the title of the poem? The Ice Cream Man. In the poem Ice Cream, the poet describes the children's love for ice cream. Children, you are like favorite ice cream. So the ice cream man visits the street on hot summer days. He brings a cart with a round umbrella. The ice cream man different variety of flavors and different variety of cool drinks. What are the different variety of flavors of ice cream? Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. What are the different variety of cool drinks? What are the colors of cool drinks? Green, orange, pink or white. So he brings a cart with a round umbrella. The ice cream cart is just like the ice cream cart is looks just like a flower bed, while the children's surroundings are like honey bee. Children understand the theme of the poem. Okay, good. Cool. So I ask questions for you. What is the author of the what is the title of the poem? The Ice Cream Man. Who is the author of the poem? Rachel Field.
First one is blaze, bright flame or fire. Second one, trundling. Trundling means moving on small broad wheels. Third one, mounds, heap or pile. Fourth one, thirsty fish, chilled drink making bubbling sound. Fifth one, cluster, gather or group of similar things. Student note the meanings. Okay, thank you.